In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can link Google tools such as Gmail, Google Drive, and so many others to Gemini. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac, and let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to Google Gemini, and once you are logged into your account, head over to the settings icon that is down here and then click on it. From this, look for this option called apps, and this will allow you to link this productivity tool. Now, if you scroll down here, you can see we have quite a number of productivity tools that we can link or add to our Google Gemini. Now, by doing this, you'll be able to summarize in Gmail, Google Docs, Drive, and many more. And as you can see, we have a list of Google tools that you can add here. So to add them, just go ahead and toggle these on, and then you'll have to connect by tapping on connect here. And now your Google tools have been connected to your Gemini account. Now, whenever you use this AI chatbot, you'll be able to move your content or to share your content across these Google platforms. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.